Throughout history, food growers have spent considerable time, money, and energy attempting to eliminate, or at least manage, the sometimes devastating crop damage caused by birds. Using modern technology to their advantage, growers can maximize the process of actually reaping what they sow. The science of Gard offers a real solution that can drastically reduce crop loss due to bird damage. The Gard solution not only increases yield and profits, but decreases the amount of labor and capital investment required in comparison to other attempted methods of bird control. Gard products are non-lethal and non-toxic, do not impede harvest machinery, and are less irritating to neighbors. Don't just take our word for it. Hear what the experts have to say about Gard.
Gard for us is arguably the most cost-efficient measure to control birds in our cherries, as opposed to some of the other outfits that you use where the cost of production is higher or the cost of installation is higher. And with Gard, it's a one-time outset and you're done for the season. We run 100 acres of pears and cherries here in the Upper Hood River Valley, and with Gard, we were able to significantly reduce our coage on our cherries. There's no problem at harvest at all, and in fact, we leave the units on while we're harvesting, as opposed to something like netting where you would have to roll that back to pick the cherries.
Gard's technology is based on the scientific premise that certain sounds and the combination of sounds act as a natural repellent to pest birds by effectively disrupting normal communication and feeding habits. The agitated birds leave the protected areas for new feeding grounds rather than endure the constant harassment. Gard uses pre-recorded actual bird distress sounds combined with predator calls and electronic harassment sounds found to irritate birds. Our advanced microchip technology incorporates state-of-the-art random features and digital sound fidelity to prevent habituation. The sounds are then amplified and broadcast using weatherproof units designed to cover from 1 to 30 acres. Systems are available in a variety of speaker and power configurations and can be customized to specific applications. The Gard Pro has a single built-in speaker and amplifier and will protect up to 1.5 acres. The Pro Plus has 2 extension speakers and 2 amplifiers and will protect up to 3 acres. The Super Pro includes 4 extension speakers and 4 amplifiers and will protect up to 6 acres. And the Super Pro Amp includes a 20-speaker tower, a 200-watt amplifier, a 40-watt solar panel, and will protect up to 30 acres. Each bird repelling system features 8 recorded sounds that are fully selectable and programmable for customized operation. The user has control over the volume of the sound, the time delay between broadcasts, and whether day, night, or 24-hour mode is selected. All units incorporate a random mode that plays the selected sounds in a random order, then remains silent for a varied length of time before playing the sounds again in a new order. All of this is done to keep the birds from becoming accustomed to hearing the same sounds repeated at the same time intervals. All units are powered by AC current or a 12-volt battery, which can be charged by an optional solar panel. Because effective bird damage control is both species and site-specific, Gard or your local dealer will work with you to determine which birds need to be repelled. We will also recommend the appropriate units to cover affected areas, as well as the most efficient placement options. Once again, let's hear from the experts. When Domaine Chandon Winery in Napa Valley set out to reduce bird damage and increase their yield, they looked to Gard. Gard products have been tested by some of the leading agricultural universities, including Rutgers. Gard's successful efforts to protect vineyards and other crops have been noticed by other industries that are adversely affected by birds. The FAA estimates $390 million in bird damage each year to civil aircraft in the United States alone. Marinas are also constantly trying to eliminate birds and the damage they do to expensive boats. Buildings, bridges, in fact, any place that birds congregate or roost can fall victim to damage. Gard's technology, combined with the ability to customize each unit to target specific species, have proven successful in these applications as well. We are very proud of our American-made Gard products, and we are constantly striving to innovate and improve them. We are so confident of their effectiveness that we stand behind all of our products with a straightforward guarantee. Use our products for a full year. If you are not completely satisfied with the results, we will gladly refund your purchase price. Our goal at Gard is simple: to provide you with a cost-effective and environmentally friendly method of controlling bird damage, backed up by courteous and professional customer service. Start letting Gard protect your investment.